Alright folks, here's a good reason for you to subscribe to my channel. You will learn from it. Not only will you learn from it, if you ever find yourselves encountering police, you'll know exactly what to say and what to do before you end up voluntarily giving up your rights. As you can see, we present to you another new channel. We are the first subscriber here. And this guy learned his rights by watching my channel. This could be you folks. Know your rights. Let's watch this video. Watch him do the walk of shame at the end. Here we go, folks.
Their name badge is
But the water in the room.
You got your ID on you? I'll get you all
I'm
our
not committing a crime.
Well, you actually already walked in the roadway, which is an offense, so by law you do have to give us your ID. Yes.
So what, is somebody hurt? Is that by law, a crime?
Yep.
Is somebody
it's not that
hurt?
it's a crime, but you committed a traffic
So
offense.
if I don't, what's going to happen if I get
Then you go to jail.
I forgot to mention that this is taking place in Arizona. These are the Arizona Jump Out Boys. They go around harassing people, hoping that the people will voluntarily give up their rights. If you don't hold them accountable, folks, nobody else will. A lot of politicians are crooked in Arizona, so always record, because when it's your word against theirs, they're not going to believe you. Keep watching.
So record, is recording? So,
I'm just explaining the
under
same
threat,
thing that you're
threat
explaining
of
with us.
under threat of arrest.
Get over there. Guys, go over there.
Mom, I found this
I mean, if
in
I
the
Are you
request your
threatening me?
information and I have the right to get your information,
But I have to commit a crime. Yes, I have to, about to, or you have reasonable, articulable suspicion that I am or going to or have committed a crime.
and you want to know what the crime would be? Failure to provide
That's not
identification.
okay, but that's a secondary crime.
It's not a
Yes,
secondary
it is, sir. You have to suspect me of a crime before, after me for ID.
No.
Yes, it is, sir. I know this.
Okay.
I know this.
Actually, stop you guys. You
I
guys
know
stop
this.
him,
I'm
though.
just explaining.
You are here to help me. I am not here to provide you for what you need to suspect of. You suspect me of what? Committing things?
Go sit in the
Right.
living room.
So,
I
so
stopped
what?
because you walked out in the
Okay,
middle of the road and you
okay,
waved
but
me down.
that's a secondary thing. I asked for your assistance to ask a question.
And I
Now
answered.
in order for
answered.
me to give you the name, my name,
Mom, look, that's
I have
still
to-
there.
have
I
committed a crime.
know what the law is.
Okay, so
I understand what the law is.
you guys are good. Now I know you guys are good. All right,
Take care. Have a good
peace
day.
out.
Come on, baby.
Hold on. I know. Public easement. Public easement. I know.
Who would have thought that we had natural born rights? Seems to me like everybody believes that if a cop tells you to do something, you have to just comply. And when that doesn't work, they make you think that you should comply. But in fact, you should always question authority, folks. Of course, if you're doing something illegal, expect to go to jail. Before you guys go, we're going to give you the First Amendment of the Constitution, specifically because they didn't teach the police in the police academies, even though they swore an oath and lied to everyone. That way, when you see a cop, you can teach a cop. There are 5 elements of the First Amendment. You have a freedom of speech, freedom of press, freedom of religion, freedom of assembly, and freedom to petition your government for a redress of grievances. So important the Second Amendment was written to protect it. If you don't know your rights, you don't have any rights. And keep in mind that these documents don't give you your rights. You were born with natural rights. These documents were written specifically to limit the scope of authority that public officials have over we the people. Don't forget that. With that being said, you guys go subscribe to this new channel. Let them know that we sent you. Always record the police. See you guys on the next video if you subscribe and hit the bell. All right, folks. Have yourselves a blessed day. Peace.